Well, I'm in the workshop right now. Got the 63 2.25 horsepower briggs on the bench, and I need to make a kill switch. Well, it's sort of going to be something along the lines of that, but it probably won't have this nice little flat down thing here. It'll just have to be one like the one on the old Suffolk, just bends down. So it'll be like that. So gonna make a cardboard template, probably hook it down to this one here because I don't want to take a head bolt out just in case I snap it or something, so don't want to do that. So I've already tried to get that out, that comes out, so I'll use that. I did try and just use, where's it gone? Here it is. I did try and just use an ordinary pull switch, but it didn't work. When it's off, it doesn't open the pins enough, and the spark still jumps between, and it still has the spark, so it didn't start, and I just ended up flooded the engine. But so I took that off, and it started straight up on one pull with some choke. So I'm just going to hook a bit of metal up here that pushes down onto the top of the spark plug, or just touches the lead. However it works out, it'll still be better than shutting off the throttle and choking out the engine, making it puff out smoke. So there we go. That's what I'm going to be doing now. So there you go. Made my little switch. Well, little kill lever thing. Just bolted it down there, like I said. Just insulate it there. Push it down. Make contact. Earth the spark plug. And it should hopefully stop spark. So I'm going to paint it up now. Paint it the same colour as the head. A nice black. So it'll go with the frame, the head, and then the kill switch, and then the rest of it green, apart from the bottom of the fuel tank, which is black. Don't know why. But yeah, just sprayed up my kill switch. Just gotta let it dry now. Put a coat of grey primer on, and then some gloss black. I haven't painted the other side obviously, so I still have contact. But looks okay. Should match the rest of the engine alright. So there you go. It's now secured on there. So push it down, make connection. Haven't sprayed the underneath, so should get a good connection. Should be grounded out by the bolt there that goes down into the head. So I'm going to stick a bit of insulation tape around that bit, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. Should work a damn sight better than the switch I tried it with. That didn't work at all. Spark was just jumping between the connectors. But this should work, so I'm going to test that out in a minute before I get some insulation tape on it. We'll see what happens. Well, we're going to see if my kill switch works now, so I'm going to try and fire up the engine. This will be a cold start. Last started yesterday, so full choke, it should hopefully go. So we're going to test out my kill switch. I wrapped a bit of insulation tape around the bit that I'm going to be touching to turn it off. So hopefully it won't shock me. If it does, I've got a screwdriver to push it down. Right, spark plug's connected. Got a decent bit of gap. Can't be. Go for it. Brilliant. Yeah, that works well. That does work well, that. Just got to make sure that I bend it up a bit every time again, because it doesn't sprint back fully. Oh well, let's give her a bit of a run then. Started up on the second pull. Probably would have started up on the first, but the choke closed up. Won't need choke now.